If you want to see how we mount a Vidabox tablet enclosure and provide power over Ethernet to the device, then stick around. In this video, we're going to show you how to install a Vidabox tablet enclosure for your iPad Pro 11-inch and how to provide power and wired data via PoE. Once you've decided on a tablet and chosen the right mount, there's also some tools you'll need to get the job done. We used the GAT USB-C PD adapter, the GAT in-wall mount. Also want to make sure you have your iPad. The Vidabox wall-mounted enclosures actually come with drywall anchors and screws. For this install, you'll need a bubble level. You can also use your phone, a pencil for marking, a drywall saw or oscillating tool. Optional, you can use a drill with bits, and a screwdriver. We made this assuming the home run cable was already in place. Let's get started. I started out by finding my placement for the mount and marking the holes where the screws will go. I also made sure to outline the opening where the GAT in-wall mount will go. This measuring card is included with the GAT in-wall mount to help guide you where you need to cut. I wasn't able to master the oscillating tool, so here's Tyler helping me cut the space for the adapter. He's cutting through 3/4 inch MDF and not sheetrock, so it was pretty hard to get through. Make sure to tighten both screws on the GAT IW mount to secure it in place. Then just slide in the GAT USB-C PD and your adapter is set. Once you have your adapter secure, you can move forward with installing the tablet mount. I'm using the level to make sure the mount is straight while marking my holes with the screw to know exactly where I need to drill. If you watch all the videos in this series, you'll see I get pretty comfortable with the drill. This was the hardest and longest part of the install for me. Since I didn't want to risk stripping the screws with the drill, I used a screwdriver by hand. I was by no means strong enough to do it quickly, and it took me a very long time and a lot of wrist muscle. And a quick shot of me admiring the hard work. Now I'm ready for the iPad. I want to make sure to connect the USB-C to USB-C cable first, then pop it into the mount. The USB-C cable I'm using is a prototype that we're working on, and it fits perfectly in this install. Once you have all 4 corners of the iPad pressed in and secure to the backing of the mount, you can attach the cover. That's it! We've successfully installed a Vidabox iPad mount and provided power and data through PoE. Don't forget to check out the Month of Mounts playlist for more install videos.